Hello everyone, welcome back in our channel. How to use. Today we will learn how to clear data of any app in your Android mobile. It's very simple to do. First of all, you have to press that app for 3 seconds. Then you will get this app info options. Right. Click on it. Now you can see here is multiple options. Storage, data usage, battery, etc. etc. But you have to go in storage options. Now you can see clear data option is the downside. If you wanna do clear all data, click on it. Simple, now your app storage is clear. If you guys have any problem in question, you can drop messages in comments section. Our team will make videos on that. For more helpful videos, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.